Hey, let's take a look at something called Decimation Master in zBrush. What is the purpose of it and when can you use it? So if I have a character right here and he's about 5 million points, let's say I want to bring him into Blender for a quick render. There's really no reason why I should deal with 5 million points. I could quickly reduce the number of points and maintain the sculpting quality just the same and have a much easier time transporting this guy to a different application. So if you want to decimate something, usually I merge everything into one layer. Then you go into Z plugins, click on Decimation Master, and the first thing you must do is click this button right here called Pre-Process Current. If your character has poly paint or painting of any kind, make sure you say use and keep poly paint. In my case, I don't, so I'm just going to say pre-process. Once ZBrush finishes processing, what you can do is you can come down here and change the percentage, the decimation percentage of how you want to optimize your model. I usually leave it at 20% initially and just simply click Decimate Current. That automatically took my model from 5 million points to just under 1 million. And if you look really closely, you can see that the quality of the model hasn't changed at all. If I turn on my polyframe, I could still see that the model is very dense with a lot of points, and again, it's still 1 million points. Let's reduce it even more. To reduce it more, I can of course dial this even further, so instead of 20%, let's go something like 5% and say Decimate Current. Now take a look, I'm at 250,000 points instead of 5 million, and still the quality of my sculpt remains the same. If I do a quick BPR, you can see that nothing seemingly has changed. But if we turn on our polyframe, you can see that now the model is a lot less dense with points. And you can continue dialing this down lower and lower as you wish and get these points to any number you want. And of course, you also have presets where you can just simply click and achieve that target goal. So let's say I want 150,000 for this guy. I'm just going to simply click on that. And take a look, my active points changed to 150,000. Again, it looks like nothing really has changed quality-wise, but if I turn on my polyframe, now the model is even less dense. This would work just the same if you had polypaint. At this point, I can export him out. And here he is in Blender, looking good, happy, and nice and light. The only downside, of course, to this is that you can't really animate your characters because this will destroy your topology. This is strictly for those characters that are posed and you're just doing a still render.